What's up, Elko family? Welcome to vlog 44. Right now, I'm on my way to go pick up some tools to finish this differential job on the Elko, but that won't be till the following week. But this week, I hit some car shows. It's like I hit a car show up in Sheridan. They had a nice burnout competition and a festival going on, so that was all pretty chill. Made some progress on the Elko and tried to mess with the Ford and the Montgomery a little bit, but them things are pissing me off. I got too much other shit going on. I'll get to those, but I really need the Elko and my truck doing well, so focused on that right now. But yeah, if you're here for the Sheridan car show and burnout competition, stay tuned. It'll be in this video. It's a pretty long video this week because finally I was back outside, and fingers crossed I'll be outside with the Elko the following week. I'm so ready. It's been way too long. So yeah, let's get into this week's video. But before that, go grab some merch. Links in the description. Helps me keep making these videos, y'all. Just do what you can, because that shit helps tremendously. So yeah, let's get into this week's video. Wow. Bugs are gone, so I'm back working on the Ford and the Montgomery out there. Right now, I just took the old starter that completely broke down here apart. And hopefully just gonna be able to swap this housing out for this housing, put that bitch back on there, and she should start up. Ooh, it looks like I ate up a lot of those gears. I might have to put another one of those on there too, but I'm assuming once I put that back together, I'll have a new starter. New. It's just me being a cheap and not buying a new starter when I probably will have to, because this might not work.
Come on, you motherfucker! Ah, shit! God damn it!
Well, since the starter issue wasn't really going anywhere, decided to move over to the Ford and changed out a couple wires, cleaned up the bracket for where the battery sits. Well, I'm on my way to a car show, and it wasn't supposed to be raining today at all, and it kind of just been sprinkling for the last like 2 hours. So we'll see what happens. It's only like 10 minutes away from my house, so might as well go try and check it out. We'll see what's up there while it's sprinkling. Hopefully get some nice shots and dip back to the crib. Alright, well, I made it. It's way over there. But man, it's pretty shitty out, so don't expect any drone footage today.
serve as a challenge coin. I'm the voice, I had to speak for the org, past the preacher, smash the weed on the org.
Oh hey, there's my sexy Dodge. A little break in the weather, and look what I broke out. I think I got some bomb footage of this Camaro. I don't know who the hell drives it, but if you know him, tag him.
Peek in the orbs, speak on what I absorb, observe boundaries. I found a different route to explore and run around thee. I told you about the reaching. You fell down and screamed, that sounded me like a loss. I had a bad bout with grief and I tossed a match on the kerosene, burned the ring down to ashes. The memories, feather feet behind and ahead of the beat, throwing them off, arriving in the nick of time. These niggas nickel and diamond, I'm giving them five and sliding my way up the street. Pretty penny, you my luckiest find. Skin copper, titties bouncing, save a generous slice for me, please. Please save a generous slice for me. Change jiggling in my pocket. These niggas nickel and diamond. I'm giving them five. Pretty penny, you my luckiest find. Skin copper, titties bouncing. Save a generous slice for me.
Came up in this country, started out in this Civic. Pray for rain till it's muddy, praying more than just Sunday. Eating good, I'm still hungry, left no evidence on these dishes. Watch movies, no sound, smoking weed in this dope house. And my bitch, coked out, smoke loud when she go down. Damn, this is life, riding on Gary Fisher.
After the Burnout competition, I decided to stumble back over to the car show. Technically, it was before the Burnout competition, but a lot of people hung around for the festival that was going on still. on the way home from the Sheridan car show / Burnout competition, and yeah, I had a pretty good time. I went solo dolo, so I didn't really hang out with anybody, but I talked to a few people at the show, and it was cool. I got some great shots. I even got the drone in the sky like I didn't think I was gonna be able to, so they got me, boys. I should have known it's Memorial Day weekend. I shouldn't be out here driving fast because they looking for people like me. Luckily, the cop was chill and he only gave me 5 over because your boy was definitely doing over 5. So I'm gonna go take care of this. Make sure y'all go subscribe and buy some merch so I can afford to keep doing stupid shit, I guess. What's up, you guys? So today we're back up under the Elco. I'm still trying to get everything ready to put this diff back in and the new axles. So I am about to go through, disconnect the drive shaft so I can get the pinion out, and yeah, get the rest of that out of there, get it all cleaned up so that when the parts get here, we can get right to it. So let's go dive into that. So let's get this fucking joint out the way. Alright, so far so good. Drive shaft disconnected. Now I gotta go through, there's a big ass nut on the other side of this little piece right here, and I need to go break that off of there and then open this back up and bang the pinion gear out of there finally. That don't look very good. Well, of course, out of all the tools that I have, I need a new socket for this, so I was gonna go buy it, but I also needed a bracket or some kind of piece of metal to hold the pinion from spinning around while I try and get that nut off. So James is saving the day. Shout out to you, James. I'm on my way to his house to go finish this job up and get the whole housing clean, because my stuff should be here hopefully later next week. Pretty well so far. Got everything out up there. I just have to go back and go get a slide hammer or something to get these bearings out to replace those, and then clean the axle tubes once I get those out of there. Pinion is out now. Time to get that other bearing and the races out of here real quick. So I'm gonna take this little extension and just kind of hammer them out. Actually, I might have to do 2 of them.
What are you doing, Eric? Do not! Do not!
I fuck you up.
Not with
Cha-ching. Races are gone. I only got 5 minutes left on the camera, it looks like. So let me get my ass under there and knock this out. I really wish I would have put the car up a little bit higher, but this will have to do. I bet it'll come out. There's 2 little spots on this backside where you can get something in there to knock these races out.
Son of a bitch!
No, I did that once already. Oh, damn it. No, I can't. Wow! The struggle.
Do this shit for real.
I think I lost the other extension in there, but I'll get it. That works. Cool. Yeah. That is everything out of there. Now it's time to clean it up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ugh. Woo! Alright, so because of all that grinding, this housing was gross. Look, you can see some metal right there from me cleaning shit up. Those little flakes all had to get out of there, so I'll be getting those cleaned up over the next another hour or so. I got a whole bunch out already, but I'm gonna make sure I get every last one out before my new stuff gets here. Well, that shit is not supposed to be in there, but maybe I won't drive through so many fields anymore. because for some strange reason, I think I know exactly where I was at to get all this shit. Alright, had to make another trip to O'Reilly's because apparently you need a slide hammer, and I don't have one, so yeah, went back and got it. She didn't tell me I needed it, but it's alright. Alright, let's get this out of here. One nasty, nasty bearing. Money. Alright, let's take this rental back. Yo, I might have to burn down this whole fucking shed, boy. Are you shitting me? That's big. What the fuck? Alright, left James's house again. Sorry, I got the windows down. It's hot as fuck and I don't want the AC on. Yeah, borrowed some more tools because this is taking a lot more tools than I thought and than I have, so yeah, on the way home, about to go sweat my balls off and get some stuff installed. So, see y'all when I get to the crib.
Big dog, yeah, call me out the phone. In this bitch.
Just like that, another week down. Don't forget to like and subscribe. New videos dropping every week. Daily posts on Instagram and TikTok. And drop a comment. Let me know what you want to see done to the El Camino. Peace.